Connor told me I shouldn't write about love. She said I'm too young to know what love is. Maybe she's right. I may be too young to know what love is, but I'm not too young to know what love is not. Love is supposed to be unconditional. Love is not supposed to crawl up inside of you and die. Love is supposed to protect you and hold you tight. Love is not supposed to slowly kill you and turn you cold and bitter. Hurts you and beats you down. Love is supposed to be blue like the sky, blue like the ocean. Love is not supposed to lie and cheat. Love is not supposed to be blue. Blue like the tears I cry for you. Blue like the black and blue. Like the black and purple bruise that asshole put under your eye. Blue like the color you turn when he's choking you. Blue like the color my heart turns when I see you laying there. My cousin told me she knew her boyfriend loved her when he hit her. She knew he loved her when he blackened her eye, when he was sad. She knew he loved her when he was choking the living life out of her. I had a cousin who said she knew her boyfriend loved her when he hit her. Well, that boy loved my cousin to death.